Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a product that absolutely nails style meets substance. This is the brand new Beats Solo 4, and specifically we've got it in this stunning cloud pink color. For years, the Beats Solo line has been the go-to for portable, stylish, on-ear headphones. But they've always come with, let's say, compromises. The sound was famously bass-heavy, the comfort was a bit clampy, and the battery life was just fine. Well, this box makes some massive promises. Up to 50 hours of battery life, ultra-lightweight comfort, and the most surprising one of all, powerful and balanced sound. So the big question is, has Beats finally created the perfect on-ear headphone? Is this the upgrade we've all been waiting for, or is it just a pretty new color? We're going to cover it all. Unboxing, design, comfort, that insane battery claim, and of course, the sound. Let's get into it. First up, the unboxing. Beats, being an Apple company, has this part down to a science. It's a clean, premium experience. Inside, you get the headphones themselves, a soft carrying case, which I love for portability, a USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and lossless audio, more on that later, and for those of us who still love a classic connection, a 3.5mm audio cable. Big props to Beats for including that. Now, let's just take a moment to talk about this cloud pink color. It's not a loud bubblegum pink, it's a sophisticated matte pastel finish that looks absolutely incredible. It's soft, elegant, and feels premium to the touch. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely gets noticed. The build itself is what really impresses me. The ultra-lightweight claim is no joke. At just 217 grams, these are one of the lightest on-ear headphones I've ever tested. You pick them up and they feel almost airy, but not cheap. The hinges for folding them up are smooth and solid, and the headband has a soft, grippy material on the inside. But the real update for me is the comfort. Beats calls these new ear cups ultra plush, and they are not kidding. They are incredibly soft and sit on your ear. Now, on-ear and long-term comfort don't always go hand in hand, especially for people who wear glasses like me. But I'm happy to report this is a huge improvement. The clamping force is, well, perfect. It's snug enough that they feel secure, even if you're moving around, but it's not the vice grip of old Beats models. I've worn these for a 3 to 4 hour editing session without any of that painful ear fatigue. The lightweight design and the soft cups make these genuinely all-day comfortable. Okay, let's talk about the two biggest features. First, that battery. 50 hours. 50. That is not a typo. That is frankly legendary. To put that in perspective, if you listen for 3 hours every single day, you would still only need to charge these once every 2 weeks. It's a genuine game changer. It makes them the perfect headphone for travel, for work, for the gym, for literally anything. And if you do somehow manage to run them down, the fast fuel feature gives you 5 hours of playback from just a 10-minute charge. Insane. And the second huge feature is compatibility. Because Apple owns Beats, you get all the Apple isms: one-touch pairing, automatic setup across your iCloud devices, Find My support, and audio sharing. It just works. But here's the best part. Android users are finally first-class citizens. These have Google Fastbear, one-touch pairing, and support for Find My device. This is the best of both worlds and makes the Solo 4 an easy recommendation for anyone, no matter what phone is in your pocket. Alright, but how do they sound? The box says powerful and balanced, and as a reviewer who's tested Beats for a decade, I was skeptical. Beats means bass, right? Well, yes. And no. The bass is absolutely here. It's that deep, punchy thump that makes hip-hop and electronic music so much fun. It's the signature Beat sound. But, and this is a huge but, it's not the muddy, overwhelming, drowning out the vocals of the past. The balanced claim is real. The mids and highs finally have room to breathe. Vocals are crisp and clear. In acoustic tracks, you can hear the detail in the guitar strings. Podcasts sound sharp and present. They've managed to keep the fun of the Beats sound while adding the clarity that was missing. Are they a flat, neutral studio monitor headphone for audiophiles? No. But for 95% of us, this is exactly what you want. Music that sounds dynamic, powerful, and most importantly, fun. And a quick note, you can plug these in via USB-C to your computer or phone for true lossless, high-fidelity audio and to charge them while you listen. That's a pro-level feature on a mainstream headphone. So, the final verdict on the Beats Solo 4. Has Beats finally nailed it? Honestly, yes. They took every single complaint about the old Solo models and fixed it. The comfort is fantastic, the build is light but strong, the cross-platform compatibility is perfect, and the battery life is absolutely industry-leading. And they did all that while improving the sound, keeping that signature punch while balancing it out for all genres. For the student, the commuter, the gym goer, or the style-conscious person who just wants a beautiful, reliable, and amazing-sounding pair of headphones that they never have to worry about charging, these are a home run. The Beats Solo 4 in Cloud Pink isn't just a pretty face, it's the new king of on-ear headphones. That's it for me. What do you guys think of this new Cloud Pink color? Are you upgrading? Let me know all your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.